What's going on, guys? I'm in my 97 Grand Caravan from Dodge, same thing as the Chrysler Town & Country. And if you remember, we replaced the gauges. That's all working great and fine, but we have intermittent turn signals. They're supposed to be up here, left one in this corner, right one down in that corner, and they're not. So the interesting thing is, our hazard, our flashers, they work all the time, not an issue. So I do use them when these don't work. But we have to diagnose why I do not have turn signals all the time. A lot of times I can turn these on, and for some odd reason, a lot of times I will have turn signals once I've used these. It's almost like they heat up and then finally they work. And I feel like this happens in the winter when it's colder, and if it's warmer in the day, my turn signals work. So something's wrong, and we gotta figure it out. So let me know if you've had this issue. I'm gonna start checking it out, seeing what I can find. Sometimes what I tend to do, if it is heat related, turn my heat up to full blast, get it warm in here. If it's something having to do with in here, maybe it'll work. All right, guys, we can compare my time there, but turn signals just decided to come on. So I guess that goes to show it's the heat that has to do with it. So that's good to know. Heat has something to do with my turn signals not working. I don't know. Let's dig a little deeper and try to figure this out. All right. Well, yeah, that's not going to work. So, ran the system here. DTCs and the ECU. We have 2. All readiness are supported. So, let's move on and see what we got. ECUs, read codes, current codes. Let's see what we got. Evap system leak detected. Small leak. Okay. Wonder if that's why my gas... I don't know. Okay, let's look what else we got. Evap system leak detected. Large leak. Okay. Interesting. Good to know. All right, well, that's interesting. I don't think I've had those on this van before. So 97 Grand Caravan, I guess we'll have to figure out what evap system leaks are. All right, so I can probably figure out. I have my turn signal going right now. I'll probably figure out which one of these is my turn signal by the one that's clicking. Is it this one? Well, I can tell if I pull it out. Nope, not that one. These are breakers. Oh, great. Now I can't put this back in. What am I doing? Ay, ay, ay. So which one's clicking? Must be up higher. All right, well, I'll figure this out. Oh, wow. This is why I couldn't fit that back in. It takes every plug. Okay. Every plug that we have. All right, whatever that was. Okay. Now, see if I can find this guy. If I don't touch something that electrocutes me. Nothing actually feels like it's clicking. Now maybe this one. don't actually feel like anything is clicking. Probably that one right there. That one feels like it's clicking. Can I pull that one out? Can't get a good grip on it. Maybe if I reach up with this hand. Ugh. Sorry guys. Pull this one out a little bit. It doesn't want to pull out. Nope. Not that one. This one. This one right here. Nope. Not that one. It's this guy. This guy right here on the other side. This big honking brick. Right there. That's our guy. Right there. So, this might be our problem. Now I took it out. Now I don't even know where it went. Good job, me. Good job, me. Plug her back in. There we go. All right, so that's the one we need. Cool. Did you see that, guys? That big honking brick one right here. Right up here. So this guy. Right there, that's our turn signal. So maybe that one's shot. So maybe I can get it to work sometimes just by going down there and messing with it. Follow up, guys. Turn signals have been working for almost 3 weeks straight. Left and right. Even in the cold, in the warm. As soon as I drive the van. So just pulling that relay in and out a couple times. Cleaning off the connections. I mean, that's all I had to do for my situation, luckily. And hopefully that's all you have to do too. So try that first. Go in under the dashboard right here and find the proper relay. It's up on the right top corner. I showed it to you. And pull it out. Check the pins. You can clean them with some like rubbing alcohol, I've heard. Don't quote me on that, but that might be an option you have to do too. Clean them and throw them back in. Pull it out, put it in, pull it out, put it in. Just kind of work those connections a little bit. Maybe they're dirty. And that's all you need to do, like mine. So I will see you guys on the next one. I put up with that for a long time and I'm embarrassed by it. But I got it working now and I'm thankful to have turn signals back. You need them. You should use them. So I'll see you guys on the next one. Have a great one.